How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. The holidays are here. Merry Christmas. I've done 3 amazing festive sides in one video. 3 amazing festive sides. I've done something fantastic. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Let's get that snow effect. I'm a sucker for that snow effect. Let's get that snow effect on. There you go. It's a bit more holiday-ish. Also, I've been trying to get some festive lighting going. It's more like a bloody brothel. Yes, I've done 3 amazing festive sides. I've done something fantastic with parsnips, carrots, onions, parsnips. So easy to do. It's really are delicious for you to make at home. So easy to make, and they taste absolutely amazing. I'm not just saying that. 3 dishes all in one video. 2020 has been a hell of a year. Let's just face it. It's been a of a year. It's been horrible. But if you can just forget about all the negativity and just think of the positivity and just enjoy Christmas for at least 1 day or 2 days, I think you'll enjoy yourself. Spend time with your family, open them presents. You might get some socks, might get a coffee mug, I don't know. But just enjoy yourself. Enjoy that turkey, enjoy that ham. And I think you'll enjoy yourself just for 2 or 3 days. Get all that negativity out. Get all the positivity in and just enjoy. You know what I mean. So yeah, enjoy this video. Happy holidays. And I hope you give it a try. Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas. First up, roasted carrots with mustard, rosemary yoghurt and pistachios. This carrot side will be a fine fit for any Christmas dinner. First, peel the carrots. Add olive oil with a sprig of rosemary. Now place in the oven and cook. While the carrots are cooking, grab a bowl. Add yogurt, followed by mustard, honey, here I'm using Colman's mustard, just for some extra tang, garlic powder, and chopped rosemary. Mix well, season to taste, and place in the fridge. Add pistachios to a dry pan and toast. Make sure you keep an eye on them because they will burn. When toasted, grab a pestle and mortar and lightly crush. Next up, roasted Worcester sauce glazed onions with goat cheese and sage. If you like Worcester sauce, you're going to love these. First, slice onions in half and a little bit off the bottom so they can sit comfortably. And season. Add olive oil to a pan. Add the onions and brown. Next, add Worcester sauce, sage and garlic. Now bring to a boil and reduce by half. add onions to a roasting pan, followed by the sauce, sage and garlic. Cover, now place in the oven and cook. For extra flavour and texture, shall I fry some sage with olive oil? These will crisp up fast, so watch them. When cooked, add goat cheese, now place under the grill to melt. Amazing. Last up, honey roasted parsnips with creamy horseradish and tarragon. First, top and tail, and peel parsnips. Slice in half, add to a roasting tray, season, followed by olive oil. Mix well, now place in the oven and cook. To make the horseradish cream, add sour cream to a bowl, followed by horseradish, garlic powder, grana padano, green onion, and tarragon. Mix well, season to taste, and place in the fridge. If it's too thick, add a splash of milk to loosen. When parsnips are cooked, add honey, followed by grated padano. Now place back in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. So there you have it, 3 amazing easy sides that you can make for the holidays. Thanks guys, and happy holidays. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.